Math 31, we're going to take a look at function notation through the lens of a graph. So there's no function for me to plug in for, like there was in example 5. I just have this graph of the function. So it says, given the graph below, evaluate f of -1. Okay, so when I see this -1, this is our x value, right? Whatever is inside the parentheses is the value of your independent variable, the value of your x coordinate. So I'm going to scooch this up just so we have some room. Let me do that. So the directions, the beginnings of the directions will be out of sight, but that's okay. All right. So as we start to go through this, right now I want to evaluate f of -1, my x value. So if I want to go to -1 along the x-axis, I go left of the origin by 1, and let's see where the ordered pair hits. So if I start to take a look at the ordered pair, it looks like the point, the ordered pair, is here at -1, 4. So if I want to evaluate f of -1, well, that will be equal to 4. Because again, this is your x value, this is your y value, and we're using function notation to say that when you plug in an x value of -1, you get 4 back out. Okay. For the next one, for part B, it's different. It's asking us for the y value, it's asking us for the x value, and it's giving us the y value. So you see here it says solve for f of x being equal to 1. So here I'm given the y value, but I don't know what the x value is, right? That remains a mystery. Well, I want us to think about a y value of 1. Y's move us up and down. So if I'm here, if I want to move up 1, I want to see what x coordinates give me a y value of 1. So let me draw in the line y equals 1. Right? This would have been the horizontal line, y is equal to 1. And you can see that this horizontal line intersects my function at 2 points. You see it at this ordered pair and this ordered pair. And those respectively, let's see, this is 2, 1, and this is 0, 1. Now, I would like the x coordinates there. So it looks like I have an x coordinate of 2 or 0. So that means the answer for this is, well, if x is equal to 0 or 2, then my y value will be 1. So those are the x coordinates that go with the y value of 1. All right, so we've taken a look at functions analytically, where we plugged into certain functions. We plugged into a quadratic in example 5. Here, I gave you the graph of a quadratic, and we use the graph to find function values, or if I gave you a function value, to find the x values that corresponded to it. On the next page, we've got our last topic. We're going to take a look at one-to-one functions, and then we're going to wrap this section up. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.